Hi. It's Sunday.
Yeah. And
Carmen, Laredo, we're back.
Yeah, again.
Today we're focusing on model digitals.
Right.
Some people call them Polaroids.
Right.
It's something that you send to agencies if you're trying to get signed with an agency.
Good.
Or agencies take them for you.
For you, can you speak English?
They take them for you. They send them to the client if they just want plain photos and not hair, makeup in a regular photo shoot.
So what's the fundamental, my opinion, what you should do if you want to get cool digital or Polaroid picture for a model? First thing that I think it's the best option is having a white or kind of plain background. Like in this case, we are going to use this one. Because you don't want to have any distraction from the model, okay?
It's also really important to have a plain outfit on, plain black tank top or white tank top, black jeans, plain black high heels. Sometimes you'll see models with digitals that have a little more fashion forward outfit. That's usually once you're in an agency. So if you're in an agency, you can ask your agency what they prefer. But if you're trying to get with an agency, we suggest that you have a plain black tank top and black jeans on to start at least.
And sometimes some agency would like also having some bikini shot because they want to see the full body, especially if you work in in area like California, Los Angeles or Miami, where there is a lot of shot involved with a bikini or summer clothing.
Yes, and that's usually a plain black bikini as well. That's not too sexy, it doesn't show too much.
Right. Not makeup wise has to be
no makeup or the least amount of makeup as possible. If you want to do a little natural makeup, usually girls do a little under eye cover and a little top mascara, but less is more. They want to see your natural face.
Even natural hair,
yes.
like mine.
Yes.
Yeah, like mine. Okay. So we are ready for the first shooting. So black jeans, black tank top or top tank?
Tank top.
Tank top. Okay. Particular things that I want to remind is always wear something that is kind of tight because you are working with your body, so you gotta show your body. Don't show up with a blouse, a loose t-shirt or a shirt that covers totally your body because it doesn't make any sense. Right. In terms of light, my suggestion is go with a natural light because it's more beautiful, it's soft, make even the skin tone way better. So what we're doing, we move the set a little bit and we're gonna shoot here with this beautiful light. And as you can see, on the back of me there will be light coming from outside, okay? Always look on the camera. It's important.
I think it's important to remember that this isn't just a regular photo shoot. This is supposed to be plain. We're just trying to see your face and who you are. And it's not about a million facial expressions and angles. It's just plain who you are. Show it.
Yeah. So you don't need those kind of pose like no, it's not the moment, you know, just consider there will be a photographer or a art director or a casting director hiring you based on the picture, so they want to see exactly clean as you are because then it's like a white canvas, then you know what to do later. Also remember, some agents require anyway, when the model is there, do it. Take a shot like this one, totally straight, plain, front, side and back. It's just a way to say morphologically speaking how she looks like. Sì, sto facendo il video. Now look number 2. I mean, we're gonna do the same things, but just to have an extra option. So it's gonna be white, just to give a little bit of luminosity to the face, and then again, in this case we are using leggings. You call it leggings? Yeah, leggings, still tight, and then high heel again. So now we go with the last look. Last look, it's gonna be like a bikini look, like we already said before. Nothing super fancy, nothing super sexy, something that cover up, but basically give an opportunity to see the full body the way it is. And she's ready to go. And
No
that's,
heels.
yeah, as you can see, in this case, it's no high heels because it doesn't make sense. But remember to always pose, yeah, like this, tiptoes, right? Because this one helps to give a slender, you say? Yeah, slender
Legs.
look. Yeah, you know, and legs it looks more beautiful. Smile, lovely, that's beautiful. Lovely. Okay, nice.
Wait, don't take it yet.
So, that's a wrap for today. I think we got everything that we needed to get.
Yes.
Should we do just a fast recap?
Yes.
Basically, what's the suggestion in case you want to do digital for model? Or use a natural light, best option, and plain background, so no distractive, plain makeup, just clean, natural look,
hair.
natural hair, and plain also clothing, black or white, simple, nothing too sexy, nothing too fancy. Also simple, natural pose.
Yes.
Nothing sexy again, don't cover your face, show like that.
Especially when you're applying for agencies. Again, if you're with an agency and they want something specific, that's a different story. But when you're applying, I think
For
the more plain, the better.
Right, yeah,
Yeah.
as a general look
Yes.
in general. And then what else? Oh, remember a heel, so
High
that
heels.
your legs looks like taller always. And when you take the picture in bikini, again, plain bikini, barefoot on tiptoes is the best option. And that's it. In terms of picture, always a full body. Once you are there, get a full body straight, then side, and then on the back, just plain like I showed you, and then go some little pose, but still full body, and then do a 3/4, and then go kind of headshot. So
I guess if it's possible to get either a studio when you're shooting, if white floor is the best.
yeah, and white wall,
for
everything
this.
beautiful. Yeah.
It's hard to find, but
Right.
I know they're out there.
Yes, and what we did was also trying to minimize the shadow. Of course,
Yes.
don't make too much plain light, but with natural light possibly
It's the
coming
best.
from the back of the photographer, so facing all
Yeah.
beautiful, like this shower of light on the model is perfect.
Yeah.
And in case you create too much shadow, put a white background somewhere, you know, so it makes everything kind of look beautiful. And I'll see you
Yeah.
in the next video. Right?
Signing
Bye.
off.
You can subscribe if you like, yeah? Share, love this video, like the video, and subscribe, yeah? Help me. Bye.